welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. If you are new here, my name is Sam, also known as Halloween Happy. I'm so excited. Our beloved Spirit Halloween is releasing a movie, so we're gonna get into it, and I definitely want to hear your thoughts. But first, if you would like more Halloween Happy, you can follow me on my social media, Instagram, everything. All the links are listed down below. And if you would like to support my channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee. Real quick, I have another video coming. It's the reacting to your Halloween unpopular opinions. There's some good stuff in there. It'll be up after this video. I just wanted to go ahead and get this video up since it's about Spirit Halloween and whatnot. I did give my shout outs for Buy Me a Coffee in that video, but since then I have a new one and I wanted to give a shout out to Halloween Happy friend Natalie Gould. Thank you so much for the coffee. I really appreciate that you're a part of this community. Thank you so much. And lastly, be sure that you subscribe. Go ahead and turn on the notifications bell. That way you are notified when there is a new video. Spirit Halloween is releasing a Spirit Halloween movie. This is exciting. Variety recently released a exclusive. So there are so many spooky movies coming out this year. I'm so excited. Just give me all the spookiness in anything. I'll take it. I will take it. It was released by Variety that Spirit Halloween just wrapped up filming on their Halloween movie, of course. They hope to release it by this fall. All right, so the article that I'm going to be using is the Variety one. I will link it down below if you're interested. It's going to star Christopher Lloyd, which we all know him from the Addams Family and a lot of other projects that he's done. And then also Rachel Leigh Cook, which I loved her growing up. She did all of like the teen movies back then. Is that bad that I'm assuming she's gonna be a parent? We're not really sure who's gonna be who. I also checked out the IMDb to see if I can get any more details. Right now, it's not too updated. So pretty much they were saying that with all of the toy movies doing so well, Spirit Halloween thought, why not? Like, it would be a perfect opportunity. And you guys know, like, everyone goes nuts over Spirit Halloween. We wish that they had a location that was open all year. They have locations throughout, such a yearly tradition and part of people's Halloween celebration every year. They are teaming up with Strike Back Studios, Hideout Pictures, and Particular Crowd for a feature-length family movie called Spirit Halloween. I'm so excited. I can't wait. And especially with just like coming off with Hubie Halloween, like I feel like there has to be a Hubie Halloween too, right? This is what it's going to be about. When a new Spirit Halloween store appears in a deserted strip mall, three middle school friends who think they've outgrown trick-or-treating make a dare to spend the night locked inside the store at Halloween night. But they soon find out that the store is haunted by an angry evil spirit who has possessed the creepy animatronic characters. The kids embark on a thrilling and spooky adventure in order to survive the night and avoid becoming possessed themselves. This just like gives me the nostalgia vibe so bad. Also, do you guys remember when YouTubers would do like 24-hour challenges and they would sneak in? It was usually they would sneak in to Walmart, just stay the night there and like spend 24 hours. I always wanted to do that with Spirit Halloween. I don't know if you guys remember, but Spirit was so kind enough to send me that PR box last year, and it had those Spirit Halloween it like came with the popcorn and then also the popcorn, the little paper popcorn holders. Was that a clue perhaps? Like, they've been brewing something in front of our faces this whole time. So with this being a child family friendly movie, wow, it's really hard to say. So joining Lloyd and Cook are Jonathan Cole, which was from Zoe, Dylan Frankel is from Raven's Home, and then Jaden Smith is from Blue Bloods. Marissa Reyes is from Raven's Home. And it looks like Marla Gibbs is also set to star in the film. They've announced that filming has wrapped and they hope to have the movie out later this year. So I feel like this movie will be like a Monster Squad. I feel like Jumanji, where just things come to life. I'm just thinking of all the props that they're gonna have. Like, also, this is a great marketing like huge commercial for Spirit Halloween. I'm gonna have to see this movie multiple times just for the obvious reasons that I love Halloween, but I'm gonna have to watch it multiple times because I think that I will be so distracted by all of the product, all of the merchandising like throughout the movie. I'm also thinking of like the merchandise line that they will have. They'll probably sell like the mask. Just seeing the animatronics, like the Spirit animatronics are definitely a staple from the company. Like everyone goes crazy over the props. Since moving and being in an apartment, I don't have room to store any more animatronic props, so it's been a little bit since I purchased them, but I always love going to Spirit Halloween and looking at them and just having fun and seeing how I would use these props in my own haunt setup at home. I don't know, I just love using them for Halloween parties, especially. Thinking of all of like the new animatronics, I feel like they're definitely gonna make a sequel. I'm already calling it. I'm gonna call it. They're making a sequel for Spirit Halloween. I want to hear what you guys think. Will you be seeing this? I feel like most of you will be pretty excited about this. What's not to love about a Halloween movie, a Spirit Halloween movie, staying overnight in a Spirit store? Like, how fun would that be? I wish I could host like a slumber party at Spirit Halloween. How amazing would that be? It kind of reminds me of like Goosebumps, just like all of the characters coming to life. So it was bound to happen, guys. It was bound to happen, and I don't know what else Spirit Halloween has up their little witchy sleeves, but I'm excited to check out this movie. I will be there eating my popcorn, eating my nachos. But yes, please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you excited about the people that have been announced for this movie? We are so close to Halloween, halfway to Halloween. Once we just get over this hill, guys, it like just the time to get to Halloween is my favorite. It goes so fast. The time it takes, like when stores start having Halloween items out and you go Halloween hunting, it's practically here. Starbucks practically is gonna have pumpkin spice lattes next week. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up. I don't wanna make this too long, but yes, please let me know what you guys think. Are you excited about it? I wanna know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. That way you are notified whenever there is a new video. And stay tuned because I will have a new video coming out after this one. It's already uploaded, edited, it's already in my queue. I just need to publish it, so stay tuned for that. You can follow me on Instagram, check out my Facebook page. I think we recently hit, social media platforms are so wild. Like Facebook is my biggest platform, and we just recently hit, I think 109,000 Halloween happy friends over there. Just thanks for your support, guys. Thanks for being a part of my community. It means so much to me. I'm so wheezy today, but I'm gonna stop rambling so I can get this video edited and uploaded. Hope you guys are all having a great week. Try to do something spooky, even if it's just literally smelling a pumpkin candle. You must have something pumpkin scented in your closet. Just smell it. It literally will turn your whole week around. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you next time. Bye!